Well, here is another video from Go. After the goldfish were removed from the 65-gallon tank and added to the 360-gallon porch pond, I decided to put all of my tropical water fish from the 36-gallon bow front or the 30-gallon square, as it went from the 30-gallon to the 36. Then I put them from the 36 into the 60 or 65. Well, one of my filters leaked for 3 days before I noticed my filter was leaking all over my carpet behind the fish tank stand. And that caused a problem. Caused a big problem. I had to take everything apart, take everything outside, rip up carpet, clean everything, extract all moisture over the course of 72 hours, all kinds of stuff. It was just a big pain in the rear end. So when that happened, I had to break down the tank, so I took the risk and put all of the little tropical water fish in the 55 that the blood parrot, the bala shark, and 2 plecos were in. They got along well. I did lose a couple small bumblebee mollies. Who knows how? They all seem to get along rather well, and I still have one bumblebee molly, so I don't think it was picked on or eaten or whatever. Who knows what happened? But I ended up putting the 60-gallon tank back together, filling it up with water, and that day, a friend of mine says, "Hey, look, man, I got a 95-gallon tank I could sell you." I said, "All right." I went out there and looked at it and thought about it for a day, and then went back and picked it up. And at that point, I took the 95-gallon and cleaned it up real well with a buddy of mine, and I just took absolutely everything out of the 65 or 60 and put it into the 95. And I took some of the gravel out of the 55 and put it in with the gravel from the 60 into this 95. Took all the dragon rock, dragon stone, and stuff that was in the 55, and all the plants and the driftwood out of the 60, put it all together into this tank. Went out and bought some more floating plants and bought a new light because the plants weren't thriving, wasn't getting enough light. But this is the tropical water community tank in the new 95-gallon aquarium I have. The blood parrot cichlid likes to move all the rocks from here and pile them up in other areas, and then she'll lay her eggs over on the dragon stone over there. She'll guard them for 3 days, and after that she just doesn't care anymore and allows the algae eaters to take over the eggs. The bala shark, when he starts chasing somebody, the ghost shark, which is right there, will chase him. They go and chase each other back and forth. It's pretty good that way. It gives the 2 sharks company. They're supposed to be, I know the bala anyway, it's a surrendered shark, but they're supposed to be kept in groups. At least with him having another sharky buddy, it helps. Still have too many plecos. I only want to keep mine. That's the lemon blue eye bristle, and that's my original over there. Those are the only 2 I want to keep. The other 2 I have no real need for. I might put them in the 360-gallon pond out back. The blood parrot, centerpiece of the tank, I guess you'd say. And we've got all kinds of different rainbow fish in there. Bosemani's and turquoise, millenniums, Congo tetras. Figure 8 puffer, he got full on a clam and was just chilling. Call that dude Casper the ghost shark. I'm calling her Sunny. She reminds me of some Sunny D. My son calls him Sharky. And we got EB. She's such a ham. Come. Well, let me know what you think of my tropical water setup. 95-gallon tank. My little 5-gallon, or Joey's 5-gallon. Drop some comments. Till the next video, stay busy, stay happy. See you!